Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad and welcome to Stock Lock Sunday. We have got a Squire stronghold. It's an ss50. I got given this off Apache Locksport nearly 2 years ago. The original core was, I think it was no good, so I recored it, put a new Euro in it. It's an LSH. There's the bit in, not very dramatic, it's a 6-pin. It does work absolutely fine, as you can see, really smooth. With this one on the back of the Euro, I had to cut grooves in across here so it would fit in the actuator. The only problem with this, I will not be able to gut this one on camera at the moment, and the reason is it's not a hex or a posi, it's a star. The bolt that's in there, the original one was a posi drive, and it was rounded off, so I put a star one in. But yesterday I borrowed my friend my set of wrench keys, the ones with the stars on, and I didn't realise I was doing this lock today. But I will undo it at some point and I will gut and show you. I do know for a fact though it's all standard except for 2 spools, and it's the only core up to yet that I've picked. But a lot of cores, they just throw spools in sometimes everywhere and they have no proper interaction. This LS core had 2 spools in it, in 2 and 4, and they actually was in the right place for once. But hopefully we'll get this picked. But before we do, if you're interested in Locksport, you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk. That's UKLS. You can find me on Discord or Extraordinary League of Pickers, and at Locksport Anonymous on Facebook. If you like to see my channel, you want to see some more, hit the subscribe button, the bell icon. As I make 2 to 3 videos per week, from picking locks to challenge locks to locks tutorials to all type of lock stuff related, really. And also, I do apologise, I've not done stock lock for over a challenge lock for over a week. I've had raging toothache for a couple of days. I've got flu. I'm just so worn out. I've just not had much time. Also, I've watched all your videos. I've liked them all. I've not normally I comment on everybody's video, and I've not commented on them all. I do apologise. Just once the toothache kicks in, you're not in the mood for doing anything really, if you know what I mean. But to show you this quickly, I got this through the post yesterday from Gordon W. A CASP 18060X hardened. I've not had a go of it yet. Hopefully we'll bring this up in an upcoming video. There is no key with it, but it's a lump of a lock. Should be some fun. Hopefully today though, let's get in this. Like I say, originally the core was knackered, and I put a new core in it, because I originally was going to be using it for something, this, with it being such a good, sturdy, strong lock. But I decided I will keep it in my collection. So it's stock core, it's just not the original core for this lock. But it does come with standard pins and 2 commercial spools. So I hope everybody's well today. Hope you're okay. Oh, sorry, I'm using a Trickmaster 30 hook and a homemade tension wrench. Oh, we got it open. Wow, there we go. That's how quick that was. I don't think I'm going to do that again. I don't think I ever intended this to be used for anything. So, and I think with the bitting being not very adventurous, that's why it's an easy pick. But I didn't feel those 2 spools come into play unless they got jammed. Oh, there you go. I got a bit of a fault set, so that's one of them. Oh, and there we go, we're open. It was 2 spools. And there we go, we're open. Let me just zoom out. You can see, a Squire. This thing is really heavy. Absolutely love this lock. One of the very first ones I ever got, that was a meaty, tricky, fun lock. I originally was going to put a GG core in it. There was already a problem with the core. But I am considering, I've got a very good high security 3-star diamond dimple lock core. I'm thinking I might put in this, make it a super hard lock. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I do apologise to say, well, get me set back and I can get the screw out of that, and we can, I'll show you what's actually inside it. But like I said, I do know it's 4 stock pins and 2 commercial spools. So yeah, so hopefully I'll be getting a little bit better soon, and things will get back on track, and we'll get into the challenge locks again. Matt, my friend, Matt's Lock Pit. Your parcel is all wrapped up and ready. I've just got to bang your address on it. Hopefully I'll get it sent off Monday or Tuesday. Bosnian Bills, he's got to get sent off Monday and Tuesday as well. And then just got to wait for the postal strike to stop in Canada so I can get West Coast Pick sent off. And then Rob, my friend from Rob's Locks, your parcel is the one I'll be starting on next. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, and bye. Don't forget to like.